A Honda Civic 9th generation sedan headlight package build. Customer sent in his OEM headlights for this conversion. Our headlight package does include new headlights, but if you wish to supply the cores for the build, we can definitely basically adjust the pricing as needed to work on your headlights versus buying new aftermarket OE style ones. Some people do prefer the OEM components, and we can definitely deal with that and give you the pricing that you need. The actual conversion is a Mini H1 by Xenon projector. This is our standard, basically entry-level package for most builds. It's a great budget performer. You're going to get great performance out of them versus the stock reflector, or even if you have a plug-and-play HID kit, and by far it's the most popular projector that we retrofit. For the shrouds, we chose the mini Gatling Gun shrouds for this build. Typically on 8th and 9th gen Civics, we usually use the shroud due to the tight vertical clearance that we need. We can fit other shrouds, and you'll see examples of this on our website in the photos and some videos as well. They just need to be trimmed, and even after trimming, the fitment is quite tight, so vertical adjustment is a little bit hindered when you go with a larger shroud. So typically we tend to gravitate towards the mini Gatling Gun shrouds, and they do look pretty good in the headlights, being fitted properly. Now, cosmetics on this build, the entire reflector assembly was painted gloss black, so there's basically no more chrome left in the reflector bulbs here. Now you may be asking, why did you black out the high beam bulbs? Well, it's what the customer wanted, to have that kind of fully blacked out look. Also, the projector is a bi-xenon, so it takes most of the high beam duties at this point. So the factory filament or halogen high beam bulb really doesn't need to output that much light, because the projector is going to take over high beam duties. You can still put the bulb there just to make everything cohesive. Now, another cosmetic thing that he added was the Diode Dynamics Pro Series Demonize. You can see them running their 7-color crossfade mode right now. Diode Dynamics is one of our favorite Demonize to install. Other options are the Profile Prism. Both really good systems. Both have their ups and downs, but these are the only two systems that we'll install in terms of multicolor RGB type systems. And one last cosmetic thing that we did for these lights, as the customer requested, was to delete the amber corner. These headlights from the factory have a little amber piece right in front of the turn signal there, and we just simply pop that out, and then you can have like a fully clear corner style look for the headlights. Looks really good with the whole black and chrome theme. Now, this entire package includes a Morimoto HID kit. So it's a plug-and-play relay harness. You won't have to do any wire splicing or cutting of your factory wires. It's 100% reversible in the future. If you do end up selling the car, you can go back to your stock headlights and plug all the factory bulbs in on a factory type setup. The Morimoto HID kit, of course, comes with the pair of bulbs, XB35 ballasts. These are 35 watt ballasts, which is what we recommend for the Mini H1, and the relay harness. So everything ready to go, install out of the box with the least amount of hassle to you as our customer. You can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. You can add all the modifications you want. For example, the demonize, any type of paint work, you can add that to your package. If you have any further questions about speccing out a package, or if you have some option that you want added that's not available on our website, just give us a call, 469-440-9449.